In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this short math question easy and fast using the calculator. Alright, so let's get started. The question says a printer produces posters at a constant rate of 42 posters per minute. At what rate in posters per hour does the printer produce the posters? So guys, this question is very simple, very cheap. All you need to know here is to interpret the question and you'll be good to go. So firstly, ask yourself, if the printer produces 42 posters per minute, then they're asking you how many number of posters will the printer be able to produce per hour. So ask yourself, how many minutes make up an hour? So we have 60 minutes making up for an hour. So to get the number of posters the printer will be able to print in an hour, since it's able to print 42 posters per minute and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so very simple logic. You just say 42 times 60 minutes, so whatever it gives you will be the answer. Let's punch this on the calculator. So we have 42 times 60. What would it give us? 2,520 posters per hour. So if the printer prints or produces 42 posters per minute, in an hour the printer will be able to produce 2,520 posters. So it's as simple as this. Okay, so nothing more beyond this. So this is the answer to this question. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you're new to the channel, ensure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to request in the comment section below and I will sure to give you a response. Also, ensure part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, getting premium information how to solve other similar questions for your SAT maths and other college entrance exam math problems you'll be dealing with. Hopeless. Okay, so having known this, click on the next corner below and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.